Hello, long time no video. I've been mainly working on some things for LockCon, so didn't have much time to make videos. So just thought I'll do a little update on what I'm up to right now, and then I'll try to pick a lock out of the package. So the main thing I'm currently working on is some pins for Yukov, and these are serrated pins, but they're also going to be pin and pin, and I don't know if you can see it, but they're serrated also from the inside and the outside. So this is hollow right through, and I have 3 of these. So 3 of these hollowed right through, and 3 of these which are also serrated from the inside. It's hard to see, but they're only halfway hollow. So this is a work in progress, we'll see how it goes. So I went to the equivalent of Poundland here, and I picked up the 2 cheapo locks. So one is this Chinese U-lock, which I already started to remove the core here, but so it was in the junk on the trash of the store, and I asked the seller if I could have him, and without keys. He was without keys, and the seller actually sold it to me. Can't believe how cheap that guy was. And what's special about this lock is that in order to pick it, all you need to do is to insert a tension tool and it opens. So in the next video we'll explore what's going on here. So not this time, but the lock I got, it's 15 shekels. It's about 3 pounds, and the name is Zegman. So the Zegman, I assume 40mm lock, and it says it's without spring. Wow. Okay, so let's open the package with my luxurious golden scissors. Okay, so okay, it works. Hardly works. Okay, so I think that okay, still works. And let's see. Yeah, doesn't look like you can shim him. Yep, you can shim him when it's open. Wait, I can remove the key when it's open? It's not key retaining? No, it is key retaining. Yeah, it's key retaining. So let's see if I can peek into him. This is too big. Let's see if it will work. I don't have peaks. Come on. Yeah, this Bogota is too big for this core. Well, let's see. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts. So yeah, retainer pin. So I guess it's the same mechanism like the Alba. So all in all, yeah, it's a cheap Zegman padlock, but nice shiny finish. So I can't take credit for out of the package picking, but I will take credit for out of the package raking. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So I wonder, it says hardened. Yeah, I don't think it's hardened. So yeah, again, Chinese unhardened shekel.